Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. TikTokers, in today's video, we're going to show you how to add subtitles to your TikTok video using Capcut. A powerful video editing app, subtitles are a great way to make your TikToks more accessible and engaging. For a wider audience, with Capcut's intuitive subtitles feature, you can easily add caption to your videos in just a few simple steps. So let's jump right in and let's learn how to add subtitles to your TikTok and CapCut in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening our CapCut application. If you haven't already installed it or if you don't have it, just head up to your Microsoft Store as an example or to your browser and go and install CapCut. Of course, there is a browser version, but it's pretty bad and it's lacking a lot of features. So make sure to go and install it. And once it's installed, open the app and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the application, with the interface, of course, and editing tools. And CapCut, of course, provide a user-friendly experience, making it easy to navigate and access all the editing features. So we will explore, and that's what we'll explore in this tutorial. Of course, this is going to be the CapCut after you open this up. And of course, make sure to log in into your account. So if you just download the application in another phone or PC, if you log into the same account, you'll find all your projects here. So for you, let's just go and create a new project as an example. And here you'll have to import your TikTok video. As an example, let me just get a video. So here I got a video as an example. Let me just drag it here. And as you can see, this is going to be the video. As you can see, this video includes a simple hello, how are you? Of course, someone saying hello, how are you? So simply, how can I get the subtitles of that? So simply, you'll have to go to the text option and click on auto caption. You'll find yourself on add text. Make sure to click on auto caption. Of course, it's English. Make sure to choose whatever language you the video on. So for me, it's English. So clear subtitles if you have some. Make sure to enable this option if you have any subtitles. If you don't, just let it like this and click create. As you can see, creating auto caption, and it should not take a lot of time. And as you can see, hello, how are you? That's what the video is saying exactly. And of course, the subtitles, sorry, will start whenever the video is starting to change. As you can see, we can even now make the subtitles bigger as an example, add some styles to it. We can even add some animations if you want to. As you can see, let's just add a pop-out animations. As you can see, we can even open or add the duration of the animation. As you can see, the auto caption will tell you that it's hello, how are you? And you can even, if you want to, you can go to the text and edit it. As an example, you would like to add something, you would like to add an emoji, you would like even to change the font, you can edit it or change to whatever you want. As an example, you can even change some spacing if you want, position and say in size, blend, stroke. You can change the background, the glow, the shadow. You can do a lot of other stuff. Of course, once you add your subtitles to your TikTok, you can of course add other things if you want. You can add some music if you want. Just go to the audio here and let's just add the piece audio as an example here. As you can see, you can hear it. If you don't like it, you can go to another one. You can go to another one. So go and check all the videos that you want. As an example, you'd like this. So simply click on this plus button or you can drag it down here. And as you can see, it will be added right away. So simply, I'll have to make it smaller here. And now, sorry, make sure to go. Okay, yeah, like this. Now, of course, make sure to go to this audio and reduce the volume a bit so it will not interfere with the sound of the real video. So here, make sure to lower it a bit, then go and start and check if everything is cool. And as you can see, now everything is cool. Now, of course, we can even add some stickers. As an example, we can add this click sticker. So make sure to add this here. Sorry, just add it here. And as you can see, we can add it here. And we can make it smaller a bit. So we can do it here, click here as an example. So now let's just play the video and see if everything is working. I can make full screen as an example and click. And as you can see, hello, how are you with the things that we add. Of course, we can even add more things. We can add some effects as an example. We can add this low quality effects as an example. So let's just check the video now with the low quality, of course, on. So let's just go back and add this low quality, as you can see. So now let's just play the video. As you can see, the video looks in a really low quality. So let's just make full screen and add and play the video. As you can see, it's very low quality. Of course, I can even change the blur. I can make it bigger. I can change colors. I can do a lot of stuff on this filter. So make sure to do whatever you want here. And as an example, when you finish this, you'd like to add some transitions. You don't have just one video, you have even more. Let's say example, let me just import some. Another video, let's just import, sorry, this video alone. Okay, okay, let's just choose it from here. And as you can see, now I can even add this here. And let's just go and add a transaction. As an example, let's just add this left or right. Let's just add this right. So sorry, I'll have to move it a bit. And as you can see, the transaction is now added. Now I can simply see if it's there. As you can see, everything is good. This video is already edited, so don't mind this. Of course, it has a lot of other stuffs if I want to. And kind of we good to go. We can even add some filters as an example. So let's add this filter. So simply just add it. We download it. Now we'll have to add it. We can even make it through the whole video. We can even change this low quality effect because it's not as good. It will fix this. So let's just add this. I don't know, maybe this edge glow. So make sure to add it and make it like this and do this. And as you can see, without it, and the video will look a bit small or not bright. So let's just remove it. As you can see, without it, the video will not look bright, but with it will look even brighter. So of course, you can even preview all the changes you made by doing this full screen option and playing the video, and you'll see everything is good here. So I guess you're good to go now. Once you finish your editing and everything, once you're done and you're satisfied with what you did, of course, you can even record some video or some audio from here. If you're missing something in the video and you would like to add it, you can simply record it and add it to your video from here. And once you finish, you can simply export your video and give it a title. As an example, let's just give it a test02. You can choose where you would like to be exported. For me, I'm just going to do downloads here. And you can here choose the resolution. As you can see, there's a lot of resolutions here, the bitrate. Of course, changing these settings will affect also the size of the video, so make sure or just keep that in mind. The codec as well, you can change the format, even the frame rates, and you can even export the audio along with the video. Once you finish, click on export, and once it's exported, it will not take a lot of time, so let's just wait. You can even sign in up to your TikTok. If you click on sign in up, as you can see, that will open your browser. Make sure to sign up, and once you sign up, you can publish that to your TikTok right away. Directly, you can do that without exporting it into your website or your PC, then uploading it to your TikTok. You can simply publish it from here directly. For me, I'm just going to hit cancel because I don't want to. And I'll hit the X. And as you can see, the projects even will stay here. If I want to go and edit it once again, I can always come back and I'll find everything is here. That's why I told you to sign in into your account first, so you can always find your projects here. So this will be actually it. If you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've learned how to add subtitles to your TikTok videos and even do a lot of editing on it. So by adding subtitles, of course, you can make your TikToks more accessible and reach a broader audience. Capcut's subtitles feature makes it easy to add, customize, and adjust subtitles to match your video content. Remember to be creative with your subtitles, style, and positioning to enhance the overall visual appeal of your TikToks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tricks. So thanks for watching and happy TikToking, and I will see you in the next one.